Hello guys, welcome to Mia's World.
Hello guys! Tonight we're gonna feature our second Vivid Sydney experience. This time, we are here in Circular Quay to watch the other light shows featured in this year's Vivid Sydney and of course, the Southern Hemisphere's biggest drone light show, Written in the Stars, with 600 to 1,000 drones to light up at the harbour. The concept is from Hill Minervini in collaboration with the Australian Traffic Network, soundtrack from The Planets by Gustav Holst, remixed by Pee Wee Ferris. So please watch this one. Here, the drones are showing the solar system, which is where the concept is based, the planets. This time it's showing the Earth. As you stroll along Circular Quay, you will also get in contact with other light shows like the dandelion. This is a 4,000 kilogram still recreation of the flower's wispy calyx, also known as pappus, which may appear less fragile than the common dandelion, but the pappus is much stronger than it looks. You will see the dandelion displayed just across the Sydney Opera House. Oh yeah, it's a fluorescent. Very pretty. It's a lot of fluorescent flowers. As you walk along further, you will encounter the light show of the Sydney Harbour Bridge. It's a black cockatoo. What's this one? It's a bat. Yeah. Mia, look. What's that? It's a moth. Moth. Yeah? Yeah. Of course, the Spirograph of Wash Bay. Spirograph is the latest water fountain to offer a moment of respite in our city, a splash of restorative nature. And for the last light display of this video, the rules of three. In rules of three, trios of halos float in the air above our heads, moving in synchrony. A reminder of the wall's awe-inspiring rhythms, simplifying the complex patterns into a mesmerizing installation. It's coming down. Mia, look. I'm in the middle. Please subscribe our channel because next we will feature the light display at Sydney Opera House.
Thanks for watching.